In this video, I want to talk about Dripx, the latest ROI dApp on the Binance Smart Chain, created by the well-known developers Hustleman Matt and Eric the Bandit. Dripx is on day 7 at this time of recording, meaning that the first 8-day payout cycle is coming up. As we can see in the first 8-day payout, there's over 1100 BNB that's going to be paid out to all the people that have been staking their Dripx tokens in the contract. Here's how the contract works. First, you need to buy a miner with BNB. You select how many days you want to let your miner work for you before your Dripx tokens become claimable. The minimum is 8 days, and the maximum is 280 days. You can also adjust the power from 1 to 100. This determines the BNB cost for the miner. The cost per Dripx stays the same, but 1 power is just cheaper than 100. Any number between 1 and 100 will do, but the higher the number, the better and more expensive your miner will cost. You can also batch your miners if you like, but I haven't used this feature. At the end of the mining period, you will receive your Dripx tokens in your wallet. Next, you will want to put the Dripx into the staking contract to earn BNB rewards. You can also select the duration here, from minimum 28 up to 3,500 days. The longer you stake your tokens, the higher the rewards in BNB. You can view your claimable BNB payouts on the payout page, and you can also calculate how much you can earn using the calculator. It's available for miners and for Dripx stakers. Just put in your numbers by adjusting the sliders, and you will see the estimated stats below. Feel free to play with it before you invest any money, and see how it works out for you. Remember, this is a smart contract, and anything can happen. I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research, and never put in more money than you can afford to lose. The purpose of mining is to earn Dripx tokens, and then I will stake these tokens in a new stake which will pay me out in BNB rewards at certain intervals. Now, what the protocol is trying to do is to get more people to stake their Dripx tokens rather than selling them. Understand that the smartest way to get money out of the contract for a long time is to stake your Dripx to earn BNB dividends. However, the devs are aware that a lot of investors are going to sell their Dripx for profits without staking them, so what they're incentivizing people to do is to stake their Dripx tokens for a long time using the Vyper mechanic. I heard about this in their Telegram group, so make sure to join their Telegram to find out all the latest news first. The correct Telegram link is on the website. This will launch after the 8-day payouts because the devs want everybody to benefit from the first payout. So, essentially, with the Vyper protocol, you can collect your full share of your miner after 51% of your mining time has expired. If you have, for example, a miner staked for 100 days, at 51 days you can end your miner. You will get the entire share in Dripx that you were promised to receive during the entire 100 days, but the contract will put your Dripx rewards automatically in a full-length stake. In other words, your stake is going to be locked for the maximum amount of time, which is 3,500 days, to get your 350% return. There is a small fee when you activate the Vyper protocol and end your miner, but the beautiful thing about this fee is that it's not going to the devs but towards the buy and burn contract. Now what is also positive, is that you're also collecting all of your D-rank bonus tokens up to that 51 days. If you stake your Dripx for 3,500 days, you will get a payout every single 8-day cycle, plus you're also going to be getting a payout every 28-day cycle, and then every 90-day cycle, and so on, as you can see on the payout page. I have 415 active shares right now, so I am expected to get $27 in BNB on my first 8-day payout. I don't know if this is the exact amount, but I am happy with this, especially with the price of BNB going up since a few months. The Vyper protocol will lock up billions of Dripx tokens for a long time, which will curb inflation and keep a healthy price for Dripx. Plus, it will also benefit the people who use the system as it's supposed to be used, by rewarding them with more BNB. Every time someone uses BNB to create a miner, 67% of that BNB goes straight to the buy and burn contract. This contract does something important every day. It buys WDrip, which is swapped for Dripx and then burns Dripx tokens. This daily routine helps maintain the value of Dripx, even in the rare scenario where there's not much new money coming in. It's like a safety net, making sure the ecosystem stays strong and valuable over time. When you use the contract to distribute BNB or buy and burn Dripx, you get rewarded with 0.33% of the BNB involved. So, if you help with the smart contract functions that keep everything running smoothly, you earn a little extra. This is how the contract works. You can read more about the payout cycles and all the bonuses in the documentation. Okay, that's enough for now. If you like this video, please give it a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the small notification bell icon to get all the latest videos first. Have a wonderful day, and stay safe.